What are these men doing?
Well, their job is to clean our city every day. It's a very important task in the city, and there are over 1,000 of them here. Oh, there's the great temple.
It's beautiful. Is that where they're going to sacrifice us?
Yes, I'm afraid so.
Oh, that will be a great honor for us, venerated father.
All you others in school.
Great priest, we are very proud to welcome our great priest here among us today. Let us listen with great respect.
You are my children. Today I will speak of our great god, warrior of the sun, Huitzilopochtli. Our world is coming to an end, for the sun has nearly completed its course. The sun must receive new energy every day if it is to reappear. Now, this source of energy, it is precious water. That is human blood. That is why we must take prisoners to satisfy our sun god. Yes, the sun comes back at dawn only if we make sacrifices, so we must take prisoners. Yes, and to take prisoners, we need warriors. To be a warrior, what a calling. Yes, I recall only too well when I was a young warrior. Yes, yes. Nothing stood in my path. Oh, no. To give you a strong body and an iron will, forge a sterling character and a spirit of public service, all this is the purpose of your education. And you girls, you may aspire to the coveted title of priestess, or you can marry if you so desire. But you boys, at the age of 10, your hair is cut, leaving only a hank. And that bit will be cut the day you bring in your first live prisoner. You can even group into 2s and 3s. Yeah, no, that's allowed.
Let me go, let me go, let me go!
Yeah, but be careful.
Let me go!
For 2 or 3 battles, and if you haven't brought in any prisoners, then you are demoted. Yes, and you have to return to civilian life. On the other hand, suppose you take or kill 4 enemy warriors, then you're promoted to superior grade and you're chiefs, Knights of the Jaguar, Knights of the Eagle, honored by the Emperor.
And now will our honored and most gallant warriors come.
We did it!
The warrior who dies in combat or upon the sacrificial stone becomes a companion of the sun and takes his place in the brilliant aura around that star. For life and death are just 2 forms of the same reality. Our warriors guarantee our liberty. It is their valor and courage that have built our empire, but you know that.
We don't really know all that much about it. Could you tell us some more about it?
Yes, tell us the old story.
Since you ask, yes, it was some 15,000 years ago. Our ancestors hunted mammoths. Yes, but then they settled down and started planting crops, and they created ceramic objects, built temples, tumulus for their gods. They were very talented, wouldn't you say? They invented a calendar, writing, arts of all kinds, and then the Mexicas, a small tribe, they would hunt, and they'd keep on the move. They had a very great priest, an ancient relative of mine, and a great god, Huitzilopochtli. And one day, soon you will see eagle perched on cactus devouring snake. There you will build my temple and city for the people. I don't think I quite understand. Did he say a snake devouring a cactus? No, there's an eagle sitting on a snake. No. Messages from gods can be very inscrutable. Look, over there. Do you see what I see? An eagle on a cactus, and he's devouring a snake. It's here. On this spot, we will construct our own city. Here and nowhere else. The gods have so told us. Now all of you get to work. Otherwise the sky will fall on our heads and the sun will stand still in the sky. Of course, in time, there were wars and treachery, murders, the ordinary run of history. But a wise prince, Itzcoatl, created a confederation with the people of Texcoco and Tlacopan. Today, our city is the most beautiful in the whole world. And tomorrow we will consecrate our great temple.
The great priest has had enough for today.
That's enough. The gods have had their share. You were a brave chief in war. Would you be free? We will give you an army to command, and we'll all respect you.
Why do you insult your son, venerated father? Have I not earned an honorable death? Go on, tell your priest to make one last effort.
The young man's parents arranged things with the marriage brokers.
You see, our son is strong and brave.
Yes, so he appears quite a good catch.
And at the girls' home...
I'm sorry, our daughter isn't worthy of this lad. In any case, she's still too young to think of getting married. No, return tomorrow and we'll discuss it again.
Hey, wait for me! No, please, wait! What's this?
I'm astonished. I don't understand how this young man can make such a mistake. Our daughter is dumb. She is ugly, good for nothing, but if you insist, we'll consider the question.
Hello, you good people. I'm here to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. You agree?
Sorry, lad, but you've come just a bit too late.
What? That can't be. It's not fair. I mean, well, it's not fair. I'll get you for that.
That's it, they're married. Hooray!
It's not right. It's me who should have married her.
Now be careful, you shouldn't drink so much. You know what they say, drink as a knave, end up a slave.
All right, I've been watching you. Drunk and disorderly on a public street, you've had it.